Welcome to Castle Careers. Hi, I'm Rachel. I'm from fifth grade. I'm in Mr. American's class.
Hi, I'm Chisholm and I'm in Miss Goodwin's class. So the first question is, what is your career?
So my career is operating room nurse. I've been doing that for 13 years. And so we do a lot of different surgeries. I see a lot of different things. And it's very interesting.
So the second question is, what is your most interested part of your day to do job?
The most interesting part is helping people. That's the main thing. I think that's why I became a nurse, because I like to help people. And when people are sick, they need to be helped. I can encourage them. So if you're interested in that, helping people, being a servant, then definitely that is a good career to get into, nursing.
Do you guys work in an office or like in the hospital?
I work in the hospital, but I'm also in administration, so I kind of oversee um, my service, because there's different services in the operating room. So my service, we do a lot of brain surgery. We do a lot of back and neck surgery. So some of my work is in the office, but majority of it is in the operating room where people are having surgery.
This question is from Zara in third grade. His question was, what tools do you use?
So we use a lot of tools, and some of it you probably won't even understand, but the main tools that we use is computers. So the things that you use right now in school is the same things that we use in my field. So we use a lot of computers, and it has different programming computer where we can track our patients and also document anything that we do to the patient while they're in surgery.
This question is from Anissa in third grade. How do nurses help people get better?
Well, it's not just the nurse. We collaborate with other people like the doctor or the surgeons, or our surgical tech. Can encourage them when they feel scared of having surgery. Anybody that has surgery feels a little bit scared because they don't know what to expect, and they have to really trust other people with their lives. The good things that we get to encourage people and try to make them feel a little bit comfortable and a little bit better about having the surgery so that they can get better.
Is there only one type of nurse or is there like different kinds of nurse?
Yes, so there are different types of nurses. Right now, I am an operating room nurse. I'm also studying currently to be a nurse practitioner. So that is a different type of nursing. They have the ER, which is the emergency room nurse. They have medical surgical nurse, which after you have surgery, you go on the floor and then the nurses take care of you and make you get better so that you can go home. There's so many different nurses. They're even your school nurse. So yeah, so there's so many different avenues. So you can decide what you want to be. And the thing is, when you go to school to become a nurse, while you're in school, they're going to show you all these different types of nurses, and you get to choose what type of nurse you really want. I didn't think I was going to be a nurse, but I had a grandmother that was a nurse. And she inspired me the way she took care of people and the reward that she felt from taking care of people. So that's what got me into being interested into becoming a nurse. So, there's so many different careers out here in this world, and nursing is one of the careers where you can do a lot of different things. Nursing is one of the diverse careers because you don't have to be just one type of nurse. You can be a whole lot of different nurses. So
what is one class from elementary school that still helps you out in your life?
So I was looking at this question, And we use a lot of different things. We use math, science, social studies, the media, we use counseling, and we also use the English language, of course. I think the biggest thing is the English language, because sometimes we get patients that don't speak English, and it makes it a little bit difficult to take care of them. But they have translators that also speak in that language so that we can converse with them and help them. But overall, English is the main thing that we use, because if without communication, we can't help anybody. We can't even help ourselves. So English is one of the main things.
Okay, so Miss Rainville has a question. Her question was, what was the craziest surgery you've ever been a part of?
Mm, that would be brain surgery. That surgery was very cool. Then I still get mesmerized that I'm actually looking at someone's brain pulsating while we're doing surgery. So that is cool. I like the operating room because I get to see the anatomy of the body. So I get to see actually a heart, your appendix, your gallbladder, your lungs, all of those things you get to see. You actually get to see the brain, the spinal cord, all of those things you get to really see that you look in the books and see, but I'm actually getting to see because of the type of job that I do. So that's also very cool. It's also cool that you're working with a lot of people just to make one person feel better.
All right, well, what do
I
we,
hope that was informative. I hope that you guys understood a little bit what I was trying to say. And that, you really do go into the medical profession. It's a good profession, and you get to really help a lot of people.
Do you have any advice for the students here at Greencastle?
My only advice is to reach for the stars. And what that means simply is to dare to dream. You can be anything you want. Don't let anyone tell you you can't. When they tell you you can't, you show them that you can do it. My advice to you guys, you're interested in the medical field, you have so many options as in the medical profession. So you don't have to just be a nurse. You can be a doctor, you can be a tech, you can be anything you want. Don't let anybody stop you. Continue to reach for the stars. And I wish you all the best.
Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome.
Thank you, Miss Thomas.
Oh, you're welcome. Anytime.
Okay, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell.